Hi, Jackie here. Right, I'm going to sing to you Annie Lennox, Little Bird. I like this a lot. And you know what? It's just me right now. So, strike while the iron's hot, that's what I always say. So, let's go for it. And I hope you like it. Because I do. I think it's Tuuune. Nice. Look up to the little bird that glides across the sky. He sings the clearest melody. He makes me want to cry. Makes me want to sit back down and cry, yeah. And walk along the city street so dark with rage and fear. I wish I could be a little bird and fly away from here. I wish I had the wings to fly away from here. Mama, I feel so low. Mama, where do I go? Mama, what do I know? Mama, we reap what we sow. Said that you knew best now. This little bird's falling out of her nest now. I got a feeling that it might have been blessed, but I just got to put these wings to test. Oh, woo woo. Oh, oh. I'm just a troubled soul who's weighted to the ground, weighted to the ground. Give me the strength to carry on till I can lay my burden down, bring it down. Give me the strength to lay this burden down, yeah. Give me the strength to lay this burden down, yeah. I feel so low, Mama, where do I go? Mama, what do I do? Mama, but inside that you knew best that this little bird's calling out of her nest now. I got a feeling that it could have been blessed, but I just got to put these wings to test. I feel so low, Mama, where do I go? Mama, what do I do? Mama, we reap what we sow. Let me tell you one more time. Ooh. Hope you enjoyed. I really do. As much as I enjoyed singing it. Thank you. Like. Watch like. Like what?